In this video, I am going to tell you about some useful and smart tricks for coding in VS Code. The timeline in the video will be: at first we will learn how to apply basic techniques to edit a simple text in a txt dot file like a pro. First trick is to copy a sentence using Shift Alt and arrow up or down keys. Second trick is to add multiple lines, or you can say multiple cursor using Ctrl Alt and arrow up or down keys. Third trick is to select and add multiple cursor to a word which is used more than one time using Ctrl Shift and letter. Fourth and very simple trick is used to move a particular line up and down using Alt and arrow up and down. Fifth trick is very common but very useful. I have performed an important use of this trick in this video. So you can select a sentence or a whole paragraph to move it using Tab key. Now, let's make a Python file to know the practical use of some of these tricks. Making a simple and short Python project using random module. Here, you can watch clearly I have used select similar text trick here, which we have learned a few minutes ago. Let's have some fun using these tricks. Also, with the help of Alt and right-click from your mouse you can add multiple cursors anywhere in your code. Now, understand the use of shifting trick, which I have mentioned that by selecting and sentence or line you can move it by just pressing tab key. Okay, so now enjoy all tips and tricks which we have learned in this video with a beautiful music. Please like the video for my efforts. Thank you.